Check out the BMW F10 stock dim yellowish reverse light. You need to remove only 4 screw-down fastener clip as seen here. The third clip can be found here. And the fourth clip is right here. Once all the 4 clips removed, gently pull down the black cover. Then press on the 2 side tabs to detach the reverse light assembly. Pull out the reverse T15 halogen bulb from its holder and replace with the CANBUS LED bulb. Next, secure the light assembly by ensuring both side tabs securely latched. Finally, push in the 4 fastener clips into the cover and you're done. Now, check out the ultra bright modern look reverse LED light.